Human brain has three parts: forebrain, midbrain and hindbrain. It is the main thinking part of the brain and controls the voluntary actions. The forebrain processes sensory information that is collected from the various sense organs such as ears, eyes, nose, tongue, skin. The forebrain consists of three parts: the cerebrum, thalamus, and hypothalamus. The cerebrum is the biggest part of the brain. This part we associate with higher brain functions such as thinking and action. It contains the cerebral cortex and other subcortical structures. The cerebral cortex is highly wrinkled and makes the brain very efficient. Now the cerebral cortex again divides into four divisions called lobes. Frontal lobe: it is associated with parts of speech, reasoning, problem solving, planning, movement and emotions. Parietal lobe: we associate parietal lobe with recognition, orientation, and perception of stimuli. Occipital lobe is responsible for visual processing. Temporal lobe: finally, temporal lobe is associated with memory, speech perception and recognition of auditory stimuli. The cerebrum is divided into two halves by a deep furrow. These halves are the left and right hemispheres. Each side functions slightly different from the other, even though they are symmetrical. So the right hemisphere links to creativity, whereas the left hemisphere relates to logic abilities. And corpus callosum connects the two hemispheres.